So what if you could make your glass look brand new with just a few minutes worth of work? Today is the first video in our SEMA 2025 First Look series, and we're talking about a product called GofX, brand new from CARPRO. Hey guys, Corey here from Skythelimitcarcare, and GofX is a brand new product announced today from CARPRO, designed to remove oil film, bug residue, water spots, old coatings, and whatever else you might want to remove from your glass safely in order to coat it with a next ceramic coating like DQUARTZ GForce or whatever sealant you might want to put on it. So you may be asking yourself, what does GofX stand for? G is for glass, O is for oil, F is for film, and X is for remove. So it's glass, oil, and film remover. Like I said, it removes a lot of other things as well. The next question you're probably asking is, how does this compare to CARPRO CeriGlass? That is the obvious question indeed. For us, we're really excited about GofX because for a very long time we've had to explain to people that on brand new glass they should not be using CeriGlass. CeriGlass contains cerium-oxide. GofX does not contain cerium-oxide. For those that are not aware, cerium-oxide is a very hard mineral that's harder than glass, and that is inside of CeriGlass, like I mentioned. So that's something that you don't want to use on brand new glass. Now this new product, GofX, you can use on new glass. Say you've got a brand new car, it's 4 or 5 months old, you haven't washed it properly, you've got some bug remnants or some water spots or something on there that are not coming off easily, you can still feel safe using this product to get rid of them after you've washed the car. And that's really the big benefit here. So with the production version of GofX, we've tested this side by side with UltraCut, which is the product that we've traditionally recommended people use on really stubborn glass. And we also used it by machine, and we also used it side by side with Glass Cleaner. For anything really difficult that Glass Cleaner is not going to take it off, we found that GofX removes it very easily by hand, by machine. Of course, there are some differences in how it's going to act by hand versus by machine. When it comes to UltraCut versus GofX, either one of them is going to get the job done. GofX is going to do it a little bit faster. UltraCut's going to have a little more lubricant to it. In practice, what we found, we used a foam applicator. You could use microfiber as well, but we used a foam applicator and added a few drops of the GofX to the applicator. And what we found was that it dries out after a few passes, but gets everything off other than deeper water spots and DQUARTZ GForce, which is an extremely durable glass coating. With a little more pressure and a little bit more time, you can remove those by hand as well, but what we found is at that point, you're better off using a machine if you can. So with the machine, we found that GofX will dry to the surface after a few passes. Like I said, it hazes up pretty quick, becomes a little chalky, and all that friction that you're getting from the machine is going to kind of bond it to the glass. The good news is it's super easy to remove, just don't try to do it dry. Dry microfiber towel, it's not coming off. But a wet microfiber towel, or just spray some eraser on there, and it just wipes right off, super easy once you reliquify it. With this combination, it removes DQUARTZ GForce, water spots, all of the above, makes the glass crystal clean, and after that eraser step, you're ready to coat it with a new layer of DQUARTZ GForce or whatever it is that you like to put on your glass. So I think that sums up everything we wanted to go over about GofX in this video. One thing I did want to say, just like any polish, this is not for use on tint, so you're not going to use this on the interior of glass if you have tint, but it's perfectly safe on the exterior of all glass surfaces. If you have any questions, comments, things we didn't go over, be sure to leave those comments below. I love answering those. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for our next SEMA 2025 video coming up soon, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time.